Hello children, take your practice book, term 1, page number 5. New practice book, open page number 5. What is this, Nani? Right slant line. Now we should write right slant line. Raindrops falling on the window. Raindrops falling on the window. Here these are the raindrops. We should trace out these broken lines. Okay children, trace out slowly, very neatly, gently. We should trace out these broken lines. What is this? Slanting line. What is this? Slanting line. Slanting line. What we are doing here? Raindrops we are drawing here. Standing slant, right slant, right slant, right slant, right slant. Slowly, neatly we should trace out the lines. Sorry, dots. So children, completed. Raindrops completed. Down see Nana, complete the slanting lines. This also we should trace out like this. Okay children, this do in your book. Right slant. Okay, now turn the page. Page number 6. Left slant line. Left slant line. Before right slant line completed now. Now left slant line. Raindrops falling on the umbrella. Here before window. Window completed now. Now raindrops are falling on umbrella. So trace out these broken lines slowly, neatly. Okay children. Left slant line. What is this? Left slant. Left slant line. Slowly, neatly, we should trace out these broken lines. Okay, children. These raindrops are falling in where? On the umbrella. Left slant line. Left slant line. Children, completed now? Now here say down one, complete the slanting lines. So this also same trace out these broken lines and complete this in your book. Okay children, complete page number 5 and 6. After completing your practice book, open activity book, AB book, term 1, page number 6. Page number 6. Right slant line. Right slant line. Trace the right slanting line from the clouds. These are clouds. You should trace out these dots from the clouds. Okay children? Trace out. What we are tracing? Left slanting line. Is that left slanting line? Am I right? No. This is right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Very neatly you should draw, Nana. Right slanting line. Six children completed. Now see down. Left slant line. Left slant line. Trace the left slanting lines of the sun rays from the sun to sunflower. So what is this? This is sun. What is this? Sunflower. These are rays. Sun giving sun rays to sunflower. We should draw sun rays from sun to sunflower. Okay. So that is left slanting line. 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 So children completed. You also complete in your book page number 6 and in practice book page number. In your practice book, page number 5 and 6. In your activity book, page number 6. Thank you, children.